Hi everyone. In this today tutorial, we are going to see about the dynamic components in SketchUp software. So what is a dynamic component? In this dynamic component, we are going to show you the movement of the doors and windows in SketchUp software. Let us see what is the procedure for it. Now I'm going to draw about the outer frame which is of 4 feet and the 4 feet. Now we have drawn the outer frame as 4 feet and 4 feet and taking the outer thickness as 2 inches. Now I'm going to delete this face. I'm going to add the thickness of 9 inches for the outer wall. Right. Now we are going to create the guides. I'm selecting the inner edges. I've selected the inner edges using the move command. I'm clicking on control. Now I'm specifying as 1 inch. Taking the 3 inches as the sliding movement and now going for the 1 inch and another for the 3 inches for the sliding movement. Now I'm going to add the material of 1 inch for the guides. So just select that area and specify the 1 inch value. Now double tap on this. Right. Now it's perfect. Now let me make into the group. I'm going to apply some colors. Now going to draw the door, sliding door with a dimension of 2 feet, comma 4 feet. Now I'm applying the width of 3 inches. Why? Because we have specified the value as 3 inches here. Next, now I'm going with the thickness of 2 inches and now I'm removing this specific area, right? Going to draw a rectangle from this center with respect to y-axis to this center. Now I'm going to apply the glass material. Now double tap on this, right click, make component. So now specify this component name as window 1. Now select this, click on the move. Now select this, double tap, move option. లోపల ఉన్నది just now select this, click on the move and click on control for the another window. Just explode this. Now what I'm going to do, just again double tap and create a component so that it to save the time we are creating the another component from the previous component, that is of window. Once again repeating it, just select this, click on the move right click, explode. Now double tap on this, right click and make component. Now let us place the windows here. So before placing the window, just I'm selecting this part. Sorry, I'm selecting this part and I need to place at this edge, at this corner edge. It's not visible to me. I'm not able to do the corner edge. For that, what I need to do is go to the view, face style, click on the X-ray, click on the move, just identify the point. This is the point. Now select the same pattern, U, X. This is the thing we have created the frame. Now let us apply the dynamic component. Now select the window, right click, component attribute. Now click on add attribute, select the X. Now what the XR value for the window is 24 inches. Close it. Now go for the window one, right click, component attributes, click on add attribute X. What's the distance of that? Minus 0. That's of 0 inches. Right? Close. Now let us go with this. Now what's the X? So click on the on click option, functions, animate, insert, select here X double hyphen comma 24 comma 0 brackets close, enter. Let me show you. Just select the dynamic component. Perfect. This window is moving in a perfect manner. Just see it, how it is going to move. Now let us apply the same pattern for the first window. Component attributes, add attribute, select on click option, just go to the functions, select the option as animate, select the part, click on insert. Now specify the formula as the same, X double hyphen comma 0 comma 24 brackets close, enter. Select the on click option, right. It's a, is my window is moving in a perfect manner, right? The main point to be noted here is, see what is, you need to identify the distance, that is the X position value, not the X position. That depends upon the position in which axis you are drawing the component. It can be in X, it can be Y, it can be in Z. Now let us create the door frame. So let me create the door. Now let us assume the door height is of 6, width is of 4 feet, comma 6 feet. This is the basic door size. Let me add the thickness of the door of 4 inches. Am I clear? Next, let me create. Now let me create the door of 4 feet, comma 6 feet with the thickness of 4 inches. Now let me create some kind of a design or a, let us assume this as a door for us as of now temporarily. Let me create this as a component door one, done. I'm going to create a choker here of, now it's of 4 feet. Now I'm assuming it is as 5 feet comma 7 feet. I'm applying the offset as 6 inches. Let me create the line here. This push pull of 9 inches. Yeah. So just I'm making it as a group component. I'm moving my toe to this part. Yeah, perfect. Now let's a gap here. So let me minimize the gap which touches to this face. Now I'm minimize it to 6 inches. Now this is the door frame. Right, let us create the dynamic component to the door. Right click on the door, dynamic component, click on the component attributes. Now select the on click option. Now select the functions. Select the functions as animate attribute state 1, state 2, state n. Click click on insert. Now specify the formula as capital R O T capital Z double hyphen 0 comma 30 comma 45 comma 30 comma 0. These are the angles of rotation of the door. Click on enter. Now select the on click option and click on the sorry, double hyphen and it specify the comma between the formula and the zero value, and this is the way we can show you the sliding of the doors. Thank you everyone.